It's my pleasure to see my keen students again. Today our topic is Unit 9, Present Perfect Continuous, I have been doing. So let's start.
It has been raining.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Is it raining?
No, but the ground is wet.
Yomg'ir yog'ayaptimi? Yo'q, lekin yer nam.
It has been raining.
Yomg'ir yog'ayotgan edi.
Have, has been, plus ing, present perfect continuous.
Tugallangan hozirgi zamon fe'lining yasalish shakli.
I have been doing.
Men qilayotgan edim.
She has been playing.
U o'ynayotgan edi.
Present perfect continuous.
Tugallangan hozirgi zamon davom fe'li yaqinda yoki hozirgina to'xtagan davomli ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi. Hozir bilan bog'liqlik mavjud.
You're out of breath. Have you been running?
Hansirab qolibsan. Yugurayotgan edingmi? Sen hozir hansirayapsan.
Paul is very tired. He's been working very hard.
Pol juda charchagan. U qattiq ishlayotgan edi. U hozir charchagan.
Why are your clothes so dirty? What have you been doing?
Nega kiyimlaring bunday kir? Nima qilayotganding? Kiyiming hozir kir.
It has been raining for 2 hours.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
It began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining.
Yomg'ir 2 soat oldin boshlab, hali ham yog'ayapti.
How long has it been raining? It has been raining for 2 hours.
Qanchadan beri yomg'ir yog'ayapti? Yomg'ir 2 soatdan beri yog'ayapti.
Present perfect continuous.
Ko'p hollarda shu yo'sinda, ya'ni o'tgan zamonda boshlangan va davom etayotgan yoki endigina tugagan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi. Ayniqsa
How long, for, since.
bilan birga. Berilgan misolda yomg'ir hali davom etmoqda.
How long have you been learning English?
Ingliz tilini qanchadan beri o'rganayapsan?
Sen ingliz tilini hozirgacha o'rganayapsan.
Chris hasn't been feeling well recently.
Chris oxirgi vaqtlar o'zini yaxshi his qilmayapti.
U o'zini hali ham yomon his qilayapti.
Tim is still watching TV. He's been watching TV all day.
Tim hali ham televizor tomosha qilyapti. U televizorni kun bo'yi tomosha qilyapti.
Televizor tomosha qilish hali ham davom etmoqda.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you for the last half hour.
Qayerlarda eding? Men seni oxirgi yarim soatdan beri qidiryapman.
Men seni hali ham qidiryapman.
Present perfect continuous.
Hozirgacha takrorlanib kelgan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun ishlatiladi.
Sylvia is a very good tennis player. She's been playing since she was 8.
Silvia juda yaxshi tennischi. U 8 yoshdan beri o'ynab kelmoqda.
Every morning they meet in the same cafe. They've been going there for years.
Har kuni ertalab ular bitta kafeda uchrashadi. Ular u yerga yillar davomida boradilar.
I have been doing.
Va
I am doing.
larni taqqoslang.
Don't disturb me now. I am working.
Menga hozir xalaqit berma. Men ishlayapman.
I've been working hard, so I am tired.
Men qattiq ishlayotgandim, shuning uchun charchadim.
Birinchi misolda so'zlovchi aynan hozir ishlayotgani haqida aytmoqda. Ikkinchi misolda esa so'zlovchi hozirgacha ishlab kelgani va shu sababli charchaganini aytmoqda. Ya'ni u hozirgacha ishlab kelayotgan edi va natijada charchadi.
Hurry up. We're waiting.
Tezroq bo'l. Biz kutayapmiz.
We've been waiting for an hour.
Biz 1 soatdan beri kutayapmiz.
Birinchi misolda so'zlovchi aynan hozir kutayotganini aytmoqchi bo'lsa, ikkinchi misolda gap 1 soat avvaldan boshlab hozirgacha kutib kelinayotgani haqida bormoqda.
We need an umbrella. It's raining.
Bizga soyabon kerak. Yomg'ir yog'ayapti.
The ground is wet. It's been raining.
Yer ho'l. Yomg'ir yog'ayotgan edi.
Birinchi misolda yomg'ir aynan hozir, ya'ni so'zlashish vaqtida yog'moqda. Shuning uchun hozir bizga soyabon kerak. Ikkinchi misolda esa yomg'ir hozirgacha yog'ib, yaqinda tugadi. Shuning uchun yerlar ho'l. Shu bilan unit 9 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek leksika uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitiga tegishli savollarni yechib olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'rishingiz mumkin. Undan oldin ushbu rolikka like qo'yib, komment yozib qo'ying. Bu bizga juda katta yordam beradi. Omad!